told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Wow! Mali kasi yung paa mo. Yan. Pagkatapos sausawan ni Mincy dun sa taas. Sasaluhin mo dyan. Climbing parang ano pa lang, bago ka. Sampaling kita dyan.
Kanya-kanyang ano to? No?
Hindi na kaya yung try yung mo.
Hindi kaya yan. Nagganyan lang kasi ako.
Hindi dapat kasi sa kanya para bumilog. Yung dede.
May push.
Yung half mo is bilog.
May push.
Hindi meron siyang supporter dito. Di ba?
Oo.
Para hindi siya lululoy-loy.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Malayo. Malayo ba? Bakit?
Ganun lang kasi natiman. Oo, ayan. Ayan. Saan kayo dadaan dyan, Mincy? Kaya maano?
Diyan ka. Diyan ka. Ano na? Kapagaling kita, dali.
Ngayon na, Kargahin kita. Janice, is that you?
Yan.
Pauwi na tayo. Anong na-experience niyo sa pamumundok? Ikaw yung anong na-experience mo?
Ay, hindi na ako babag dito.
Bakit? Ikaw, Karen, na-experience mo, Karen?
Malamig.
Ang simoy ng hangin. Ikaw, May? What?
Wala.
Ha? Anong wala? Wala kang
Basic
na-experience?
lang.
Basic lang. Ito, basic
Basic.
too eh. Basic.
Give up and then survive.
Give up, survive.
Imat.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Dito sa kano, sa state na.
Yung pantapal, white na.
Sabi na pahinga, hindi pahinga.
Pagkatapos naming mag-hike, ito na sila. Ayan. Ayan. 1. Knockdown. That's basic. Basic survive. This one. Ito. Ito yung broken hearted. Ayan, tingnan mo position, broken na broken. Ito. Chill lang. In love na siya. Katatapos lang nila magchikahan ng mori-mori niya. O, di ba? Wala.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, no don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is